Again, kids, go to your parents now. And parents, open your bags for this game, for the break me game. So, we will have to choose only one. Again, the first one I'm gonna bring it in front is the winner. Okay, get ready. Who can bring me a 1 peso coin? 1 peso coin. Oh, only one winner. Okay. Another one. Get ready. Ay, careful lang natin sa inindagan niyo. Careful lang kasi may slide. Again, one winner. Who can bring me? Since our birthday boy turns 1 year old, who can bring me if naalam? Who can bring me a national ID? National ID, national ID. Oh, national ID ka ng napa-account. Oh, wow. Ay, you like this one? Can you write what you like? Okay. Next! Okay, this is our prize. Who can bring me any color, any brand of cell phone charger? Cell phone charger. Cell phone charger. Cell phone Ako sa bata. Okay. By the way, mami, it's okay, mami. Ako lang sa yata ang mga lupag sa mga kids para ang sobrang na lupags, ano na lang i-games. Okay, so we call on mommy and daddy in front together with the birthday boy. We will have to do our distribution first with the lupags. By the way, magkawat na good time. Yan, dapat ay magician, dapat ay bubble show. So, much better ako sa unahon ang mga kids. And the rest sa mga loot bags, ano na lang i-prize. Kids, 1 straight line for the boys and 1 straight line for the girls for your loot bags and giveaways, okay? Appeal ang mga bata ng ipagkubos. Dali ang boys, dali ang girls. 1 straight line, please. 1 straight line. Backward, backward, backward. Okay? Correct, okay. Boys, backward sa boys, backward. Okay. Okay. We will have to start with the boys. Then, boys, nagkahuman mo po yung happy birthday sa Alel. Dali na mag-line ang mga boys, okay? Okay, boys! Boys, line mo pag-asay. Dari ang mga boys. Okay, girls?
Happy birthday, Ryan.
Birthday! Okay, on the girls' line dito. Okay, line. Then, daddy and mommy will give the loot bags 1 by 1 with the kids. So,
Here. Go there.
mga girls, ito mga girls. Ma'am, ate, join ka dali ate for the loot bags. Ma'am, tanong mga kids. Bring your kids in front. Ito lang line. Okay? Then, mommy and daddy will give the loot bags 1 by 1 with the kids. Sir? Okay, tanong mga bata na sa front. Okay. So, daddy, nag-ailas na sir 1 by 1 o loot bags. Mag-start na sa mga boys. So, nag-ailas na loot bags 1 by 1. Okay. Hindi lang siya. Line naman mga pictorial ka together with the look bags. Line. Okay. Kuya, line sa kuya. Kuya, line sa, line. Line sa kuya. Kani siya sa mga. Line sa. Kani. Ma'am, kuha na yung damay mo. Diba sa, mag-gusto siya. Diba sa, sir, picture pa man. One baby. Okay. So, the guy ko siya sasasal na ako. Look na siya. Dahil sa mga kuya ha, picture sa ka. Okay. Hold sa kuya. Napa, sir. Nandiyan sa mga girls. Okay? Show your prize. Show your look bags. Ano lang ito kuya? Picture sa. Girls! Please, sir. Okay. Para ang sobra sa mga look bags, ako na lang i-games. Okay, girls, get your look bags. Okay, wala na yung kids, ano ba? Ay, napay usa. Ma'am, ka usa ka kid. Pwede siya, dali, ma'am? Shy siya? Napay usa ka kid, no? Napay usa ka bata. Oh, dali na siya, ma'am. Pwede, picture, dali na, ma'am. Inside parent, ma'am, kanang bata niya, ma'am, dali lang, ma'am. For the look bags and giveaways. Kayo, di lang, ma'am. Napay girl. Sige lang kuya, kayo napay. Okay, kids, show your look bags. Okay? Compress. Okay, smile. Again, tanang bata na yung look bags. Okay. Show your look bags. Okay. Sir, center lang ka, sir. Okay. Everybody smile. Silent. Thank you so much, kids. You will take your seats now. Okay. Take your seats. Okay. Our next game, we will have to play the trivia question and the question and answer portion. It's all about the birthday boy. If you know the answer, just raise your hand, do not shout your answer. Oy, dapat ang answer ani mga kids lang. Okay? From elementary kids, just ask your parents for the correct answer. Dahil nga silang mommy and daddy, ma'am, kamulay mo kung ano the right or wrong answer. It's all about the birthday boy. Okay. Kids, take your seats. Dili mo ko ha. Mga bata, lingkod. Use the kini chairs and table. Kay after sa akong games, dili mo ha. Dili ang susuki. Okay. Kuya, take your seat na mo kuya para sugod sa atong magic show. Makalingkod na mo. Break a chair lang muna dito na side. Okay. Ready? My first question. Who can give me the exact and the complete birthday of Zion? Ma'am, dapat kids na tuloyin yung kids sa correct answer. I want ang kids ang mo answer. Do you know? Complete birthday of our birthday boy. Ma'am, May 27, 2025. Correct? Correct! Wow, okay. So, give chance to others. Next question. Who can give me, by the way, taas Judicia. Who can give me the exact and the complete name sa itong birthday boy? Complete name sa birthday boy para sa tubangan. But I want the complete name. Hoy, apel ang apelido, apel ang middle name. Ano na? Mami, lesson ma'am ha? Okay. Mami, lesson ma'am, sir. Complete name sa itong birthday boy. Oh, sorry. Dili siya kompleto ang answer. Who knows the complete answer? Kaya sa tubangan ba? Kuwangan ba na ha? Appeal ang middle name and last name sa atong birthday boy. Complete name. Ma'am, sir, yes, sir. Dami na. Danilo. Zayed. Liwan. Liwana. Tawada. Roylan. Okay, spell. Okay. Nandito naging spelling, spell na naman. Okay, next. Okay. Up, manamata sa elementary, no? Ang mo appeal ani kasi mga high school, college. Oh, kamo ha? My next question. Give me the exact and the complete name sa daddy and mommy of Zion. Oh, ang mo appeal ani mga student na high school and college. Okay. Complete name sa daddy and mommy of Zion. Ay, principal na sa high school. Asaman. Who knows the... Di ba mo kasuli, ate? Mami, dad, lesson. Dali na, go, ate. Mami first.
Mikey Tabuana Roylan.
Ma'am Mikey Tabuada Roylan. Correct, daddy.
Leo Valdez Roylan.
Leo Valdez Roylan. Correct. Okay. Oy, no coaching ha, no coaching. No coaching please. Okay. Hi! If you can answer my question, you can get this one. Okay, listen. No coaching ha. How old is our birthday boy? Pila edad sa birthday boy? 1, 2, or 3? Ay no. 3, sayang. Okay. Ganun gamay. Kani. Pila edad sa birthday boy? 1, 2, or 3? No! Wala na sa answer. Wala yun. Okay. Ito po wala na. Ganun gamay sa doon. Naman. Oy, swerte ako. Pwede yung sign language. Okay. Pila edad sa birthday boy? Wala siya ni answer. Ay, dala. Okay, kani kay gamay. Okay. Ma'am, no coaching ha? How old is the birthday boy? 1, 2, or 3? Very good! Di ba? Oy, wala ko tuturo niyang bata ha. Naka-answer din siya. Nag-answer niya kay 3. Okay?